So what's going on, guys? In this video I'll show you how to make a backup of your registry file and why actually it's important, because it's a storehouse of all the important Windows files. Keep everything working. In short, it's an integral part of the Windows ecosystem. It's just like if you find yourself at a place where you have got to get your hands dirty with the registry, make sure you have first create a backup of it up as a precaution so you can restore it again. Now the restore process is very simple. Just make a backup, click on the Windows icon, type registry files and registry editor, and you'll get this option. Just open it. Now click on the file and then export it on a safe place, like where you store it as a backup, and it won't be deleted by chance. There's no chance to delete it. So in my case I'm going into the document because I don't open documents, like since when I have installed this window I never opened the document. Yeah, sometimes if I need to open the document for some personal data or etc, otherwise I'm not opening it. Anyway, just save it and then simply click on the file again, and this time if you want to restore, just click on the import and select your registry backup file and click on OK. That's it. This is the way you can restore it on back. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.